On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing just by sending free emails. This method does not involve any cost. You don't need any experience to start using this method to make money, and you can use it to make money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is one of the popular and trusted affiliate marketplace where you can get a lot of different products to promote. So what you need to do is that you have to search for Digistore24. You can also use ClickBank. You can also use any kind of affiliate marketplace which you trust. You can use any of them and then follow the steps in this video. So in my case, I'm using Digistore24. So once you create your accounts and log in, the next step is that you have to click right here, marketplace. The marketplace is where you can find products to promote. The products, they are into different categories. So if you want a specific category, you can come right here and then select a category of product that you want to promote. So if you click right here, you can see different categories: animals and pets, computer and internet. You can see dancing and music, dating, relationships and romance. You can see a whole lot of them. So any niche or any category that you want, you can find a product to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. This product was published on this platform in 2022, but right now it is getting a lot of sales, so it has been moved on top. You can see it is the popular product on this platform. So when we promote it, we are likely also going to make sales. So we are going to be promoting this product right here. You can see the commission rate is $71.90. That is the amount that you are going to get per every sale that you get. So we are going to be promoting this one. If you want more details about the product, you can click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, you can see all the information has been displayed and you can read more about the product. You can see a whole lot of them. These are the benefits of the product. You can see as an affiliate what you are going to get if you promote this product. You can see everything. So now once you have gotten more information about the product, you can also click on the landing page so that you see how the product landing page looks like. You can see it is a video. You can see it right here. So your potential customers will have to watch the video. Once they watch the video and then trust the product, they can go ahead, purchase the product, and you are going to be paid. So that is how it works. Now once you have gotten more information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote the product, you can click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you can get resources to promote the product. If you don't need resources, just go ahead and then get your affiliate links. To get your affiliate link, click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. This is the link that you have to promote. So once you promote it and then get people to click on this particular link, anytime they make a purchase via the link, you are going to be paid. So some affiliate links have a cookie duration of 30 days, others have 90 days cookie duration. The cookie duration is the number of days that the product owner can track your sales and then pay it to you if people purchase the product through your link. So some have 90 days, some have 30 days. This product, they are silent about it, but mostly the products, they have 30-day cookie duration. So what you need to do is that you have to get this link, get a lot of people to click on it, and then purchase the product so that you can be paid. Now once you have seen your link, the next step is that you have to find people who can click on this link and then purchase the product. There are many ways of getting people to click on your link. You can use paid traffic. That means you are going to be running ads on Facebook, Google, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, so that people can click on your link and then purchase the product, but you are going to be paying per every click that you get. Another method is free traffic. Free traffic, you are not going to be paying for anything. You have to use some strategies so that you can get people to purchase the product without you paying for anything. In this video, I'm going to show you the free traffic method. I'm going to show you a website whereby you can get people to purchase the product through your affiliate link without you paying for anything. The website which we are going to be using to get free traffic is stateoftheartmailer.com. Stateoftheartmailer.com. This website is a traffic exchange website where you can get people to click on your link for free. You don't need to pay for anything. What this website does is that they allow you to promote your link by sending emails to other users on this platform. So you have to just send an email to other users on this platform so that they can see your product. Once they see it, those who are interested can go ahead and make a purchase, and you are going to be making money for free without paying for anything. So search for stateoftheartmailer.com. Once you search for it, you can go ahead and then create your account. I have an account, so I'm going to log in and then show you how you can promote your product on the platform. As you can see, once you are trying to log in, you are going to be seeing pages like this. Wait for some time. So just wait for some time. You can see the time is counting. Just wait for it to complete. Once it completes counting, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, continue to members area. Click on it. Once you click on it, another page is going to open like this. Just wait for the counter to finish, then you can go ahead and click on so that you can proceed to the main page of the website. You can see it is 0. Click on continue to members area. Once you click on it, they are going to present you an offer that you have to make a purchase. You can see this is an offer that you have to make a purchase. Just scroll down and then click right here. No, thank you. I will pass for now. Continue to the members area. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see you can advertise your product here via email, via solo ad, via bonus time banner, via hyperlink text ad, via full page login ad, viral banner. These are ways by which you can advertise your product on the platform. So I have done it and I've been able to get sales. So I'm going to show you how you can also do it. But one thing about this website is that for you to be able to send emails to other members on the platform, what you need to do is that you have to also get some credit so that you can get people to purchase your product. If you don't want to go through the stress of clicking on other people's ad to get credit, you are allowed to send to only 500 members for free. You don't need to get credit before you can send to the 500 people. But if you want to send to more than 500 people, you need to get credit. You can see you can send to 1,000 members, you can send to 3,000 members, you can send to 5,000 members, 7,500 members. But all of them you need credit. To get a credit, what you need to do is that you have to come right here, get credit. Once you are here, click right here on claim solo ad credit. Once you click on it, you will see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down to the page. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, click here to gain credit for viewing this ad. Once you click on it, it is going to count for some time. You can see the counter is ready, so it will count for some time so that you can get the credit. It will take only 10 seconds, so just wait for it to finish. Once it is finished, you have got some credit. So credit has been added. You can see you have earned credit. You can see it right here, 13 credit. So just take some time, let's say 30 minutes a day or 50 minutes a day, and then get the credit. Once you get the credit, the next step is that you have to also begin promoting your own product. Now to promote your product, what you need to do is that you have to click right here, advertise. Once you click on it, select send email ad so that you can send emails for. Once you click on send email ad, they'll give you an options like this. You can see depending on the number of credit that you have, you can select any of these options. Since our credit is very low, we are going to select the last one. You can see I have 1,016 credit, so I need 484 credit so that I can send to 1,500 members. I have not met the requirement, so what I need to do is that I have to send to 500 members and then some credit will be left. So just select the 500 members, click on it. Once you select your option, the next step is that you have to enter your affiliate link right here. So come back on the Digits 224, click on copy. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link right here. You can see it. That has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link here, The next step is that you have to click on submit URL. So you have to submit your URL to this website. Once you click on submit URL, your link is going to be sent to the 500 members, and most of them are going to purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you promote different products onto the platform so that you can get many people to purchase them for you to make money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.